State Farm wants to raise its insurance rates again on homeowner policies. Today, company executives pleaded their case in front of state insurance regulators. Our Althea Paul joins us now with what's at stake here. Good evening, Althea.
Good evening, Wendy. State Farm is the largest private insurer in Florida, covering more than 700,000 customers, including many in the Bay Area. If this rate hike goes through, homeowners may have to pay an average of 28% more.
Enrique Alvarez has lived in his Tampa house off Himes for about 20 years. He's always had State Farm for insurance, but that may soon change.
We are pretty upset.
The homeowner says he pays more than $2,000 a year right now, and if it gets any higher.
I don't know. We had to quit. We can afford to increase 20% more. It's too much.
It's the same reason his neighbor, 93-year-old Eugene Vanega, hasn't had home insurance for years. The war veteran says State Farm just became too pricey.
I would like to have insurance, but I can't afford it. So I can't buy it. Even if I wanted, I couldn't buy it.
Tuesday, before Florida insurance regulators, State Farm executives testified a hike is needed. They're looking to raise homeowners' rates an average of 28% and commercial multi-peril policies 96%. Executives say one of the reasons why, sinkholes. Rini Otero, a local independent insurance agent, says he's not surprised.
We haven't had a catastrophic loss. There haven't been really any hurricanes that have caused significant damage in years. But sinkholes are really the new catastrophic loss in Florida.
According to State Farm officials, over the past 5 years, they've paid out more than $2 billion in sinkhole claims. But an increase could mean hundreds more dollars a year for customers.
We have to look at what we're doing with regard to rates in our state. We've got to be fair to all the consumers in our state.
Alvarez just hopes that means no hike.
Now, State Farm's requested rates, they're different depending on where you live. So one part of the state may see only a slight increase, while the others could see a hike of 100% or more. State regulators are not expected to make their decision for a few days, if not a few weeks.